the beautiful Sapphire Point community by Pulte. Andrew's going to share some great information with us about the community. It's one of the newer communities in Lakewood Ranch, and we're really excited about it. Andrew, why are people choosing to invest here in Sapphire Point?
Sure. Sapphire Point is very unique to the area. We're only building single-family homes here.
Okay.
So no paired villas, no condos or townhomes. Single-family homes from 1,400 square feet up to 5,300 square feet.
Wow, that's quite a difference. So it sounds like you have something for everybody, right?
We sure do.
Wonderful.
Yes.
And what about the amenities? What are we going to find here in this community?
Yeah, we're going to have a resort-style amenity center, beautiful pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, community gathering room, catering kitchen, fire pit, playground, basketball court, 2 dog parks, and a covered pavilion as well. We did hit on the price point, but we're starting here in the low 300s for a 1,400 square foot home.
Okay.
And then pricing's going all the way up into the 800s when you include your home site and options. That's another nice thing about Pulte Homes here at Sapphire Point is you can personalize all your interior design options at our design center.
Tell me a little bit about the community fees. You're giving
Sure.
so much.
Yeah, so what's nice again about Sapphire Point is we're maintenance included. So your lawn, your landscape, water for irrigation, weeding, trimming, mulching, fertilizing is all included in your HOA. We're also a gated community, and then there's no additional fee to use the amenity, and your HOAs range from $250 a month to $290 a month.
That is very reasonable for all that you get, especially considering you're going to have an amenity center, you're getting your lawn taken care of. A gym membership could be, almost $100 a month right there. So that's a wonderful value. I really appreciate this information. And folks, when you're ready to learn more about the community, certainly give me a shout, the number's below. And then when you're ready, we're going to come out and have an appointment with Andrew, and he's going to share with you some more specific and detailed information when the time is right. We just heard a lot of great information about Sapphire Point from our friend Andrew. Let's go outside and check out the outdoor living space in the Easley model. Fantastic. Who wouldn't want to come home and live right here with that beautiful view and the relaxing infinity edge spa